In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Sign with Zoho CRM. This integration lets you send documents for e-signature directly from your CRM, track their status, and keep everything in one place. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on getting the integration installed correctly from the Zoho CRM marketplace so you're ready to start using it. First, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Look towards the top right corner of the screen and find the gear icon, which is your setup menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the setup page. This is where you manage everything behind the scenes in your CRM, including integrations and marketplace extensions. Once the setup page opens, look for the section labeled Marketplace. Click on Marketplace and then choose All. This will open the full list of apps and extensions that can connect with your Zoho CRM. It might take a second to load if you have a lot of options available. At the top of the Marketplace page, you'll see a search bar. Click into the search field and type Zoho Sign for Zoho CRM. Be sure you select the official Zoho Sign extension that is specifically designed for Zoho CRM so you get the right integration with full support. When you see Zoho Sign for Zoho CRM in the results, click on it to open the app details page. Here, you can quickly scan the description to confirm it does what you need, like sending and tracking e-signature documents from modules such as Contacts, Deals, or Accounts. When you're ready, click the Install Now button. A window will pop up showing the terms and conditions for using this extension. Take a moment to at least skim through these so you understand what permissions the app needs and how it will interact with your CRM data. When you're comfortable with it, check the box to agree to the terms. Then click Install. Next, you'll be asked who you want to install the extension for. You can choose to install for all users, which is usually best for most teams, or limit it to specific profiles if you only want certain roles to use Zoho Sign. Make your selection based on your organization's needs. Finally, click Confirm. Zoho CRM will complete the installation, and once it's done, Zoho Sign will be available inside your CRM, ready for configuration and everyday use.